In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Auto Advance in Microsoft PowerPoint 2023, ensuring that your slides advance only when you click. This can be incredibly useful when you want full control over the pacing of your presentation, allowing you to engage with your audience or emphasize important points without the pressure of automatic transitions. Let's dive right into the step-by-step process. First, you'll want to open Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. This is the starting point for making any adjustments to your presentation settings. Once you've launched PowerPoint, go ahead and open the specific presentation where you want to make these changes. If it's not already open, just navigate through your files and select it to begin. Once your presentation is open, direct your attention to the top of the window where you'll see various tabs and options. Locate the slideshow tab, which is typically situated towards the right hand side of the top menu. Click on this tab to reveal additional settings specific to slideshow management. Within the slideshow tab, look for an option labeled Setup Slideshow. Clicking on this will open a new window filled with preferences for how your slides will behave during the presentation. This is where you can fine-tune settings to suit your presentation style. In the window that appears, focus on the section titled Advanced Slides. It's here that you'll choose whether slides progress automatically or wait for your input. By default, many presentations are set to advance automatically using preset timings, which can be useful in some contexts, but not when you need absolute control over the flow. To change this, select Manually in the Advanced Slides section. This simple adjustment ensures your slides will remain static until you're ready to proceed. It puts the power back in your hands, allowing you to take a pause, have discussions, or provide additional explanations whenever necessary. After you've selected Manually, it's important to confirm your changes by clicking on the OK button at the bottom of the window. This final step saves your adjustments and brings you back to your main slide editing screen. Now, when you enter slideshow mode, your slides will only advance when you choose, using a click of your mouse or the next key on your keyboard. And there you have it, you've successfully turned off Auto Advance in your PowerPoint presentation. This simple yet effective change can make all the difference in how you deliver your content. Whether it's for a professional presentation, a classroom setting, or any scenario where timing is key, you've got the control you need. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials.